Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video. And in this video I want to show you the best way to get traffic and to make money online with Pinterest. And obviously, first let me tell you what Pinterest is, because many people do not use Pinterest because they do not know how to use it, and they do not know how to use it because they do not know its main function. Yes, and the main function and the main purpose of Pinterest and why it was created, it's like a search engine like Google, but it's like a visual search engine. Yes, so that is the intent and that is the purpose of Pinterest. So we could use this to our advantage, yes, and create content so that people will, when they search it on Pinterest, they find our pins first, which obviously redirect to our pages. They not only your pins can redirect to your blog, but they can also redirect to your YouTube channels, to your to your email list, to your affiliate links. You can redirect everywhere. Yes, obviously if the page is cataloged as spam, obviously Pinterest won't allow that. But that's the main purpose of Pinterest. Many people get the idea of Pinterest wrong. Many people think it's like a copy of Instagram, and yes, it uses images to make it more visually appealing and always make the search engine more enjoyable. But it has nothing to do with Instagram. Yes, it's not even similar. Yes, and people who confuse Instagram with Pinterest and say Instagram is better, well, they don't know a thing about Pinterest, and I can assure you they even tried an account on Pinterest not even a week. Yes, because they don't know how to use it. And the main purpose of Pinterest is for you to, for example, search. If you want to search for, if you want to search, for example, best tips for affiliate market, for beginner affiliates, for example, you will see that the searches will be related to obviously what you searched. Yes, so that's the main purpose of Pinterest too. With images, obviously, fulfill the search that you are doing. Yes, if you compare it to Google, when you, for example, put on Google I missed best tips. But if you put on Google best tips for beginner affiliates, obviously the search results won't be images. Yes, now that's what Pinterest is. It will fulfill the results of your search, of the search term you inputted, will be images. Yes, and these images, if you click on them, you will see that all of them link to a site. Yes, so it's like a search engine with images, but all images linked back to a site. Yes, so it's like an alternative search engine that no one is taking advantage of, and many people refer to Pinterest as like the social media for moms, but that's not the case at all. Yes, there's a large percentage of users which are moms. Yes, but that's not how, because I don't think that it's a social media, but yeah, it's considered a social media because you can add people, you can follow people, you can message people. Yes, but in its essence, Pinterest is a search engine. Yes, hope you get that clear. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a pin, upload it to optimize it for Pinterest SEO. Yes, and then obviously link back to your site. Don't worry, you won't be needing any photo editing skills. This is all just for beginners. With what you will learn in this video, you can use it to get traffic, to make money, to whatever you want to use it for. So go ahead, and if you want more content like this, please hit the subscribe button and obviously hit the bell notification icon, and make sure to stay until the end so that you get a full grasp of what Pinterest is and you really understand this search engine for once and for all, because I see many people asking me about Pinterest and they don't really get it. Yes, so stay until the end so that you fully understand this search engine. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, let's get into the video. Now, the first thing you have to take into consideration before going into Pinterest SEO, yes, is that you always, as Google, go for the long tail keywords, because the long tail keywords are more easy to rank for. Yes, so let's say that the keyword you want to rank for is make money. Now, I can assure you that you won't rank for make money. That's a very competitive keyword which is getting a lot of traffic. And well, for example, let's go with make money online, because make money online, it's a very competitive keyword, and I can assure you, if you are at least getting, if you are at least getting like 1 million followers on Pinterest, I can assure you that you won't rank for the first page of Pinterest. Yes, for this keyword. Now we're going to go even further. So it's like Google. Yes, you type a keyword and you will go further into the suggested searches. It's the predicting thing, like here, is suggesting you. Yes, so make money online. Let's go with us. Let's go with affiliate marketing. Make money online, but for example, affiliate marketing. Well, make money with affiliate marketing, and let's see if we can expand the search term. So let's go for how to make a landing page in this video. I don't know if I will rank for this video, for this specific keyword. I think I can do this, but yeah, let's go with this keyword, how to make a landing page. I think this keyword is not that competitive. So once you've done your research on the search bar by using the prediction searches, obviously aim for the long tail keywords. You will go to, well, this is my recommendation. You can create your graphics wherever you want. I use Canva to create my graphics. Now, what you could do instead of creating your graphics, you could go to Fiverr.com. It's Fiverr.com, and people for very cheap prices on here are offering to make you a lot of pins for Pinterest, so that you don't take the hassle like I'm doing and making pins on my own. Yes, this is one pin I made, and as you can see, what I did, the only thing I did is I grabbed the template on here and I just edited the background and, well, edited some stuff. Yes, here you will put the title, yes, of your keyword. For example, here we are going to put how to create a landing page, and in this case I'm going to use a background image. Sorry, I'm going to use photos, and I'm going to put a person happy. I don't know, let's go with work, and just be creative. I can't really help you with this. Just make sure to be creative. For example, you can use this photo and just fit it to your style, put it backward, and here you can see how it looks. Yes, once you have, obviously this has to be bigger. I'm just being creative here, and here it's important that here you put the main keyword that you want to rank for. Yes, here, well, just for demonstration purposes, I would leave this the same. Obviously change this, but if you have a different theme, I think you wouldn't have this. But as I said, if you don't want to make your pins, just go to Fiverr and put Pinterest graphics. Just type Pinterest graphics, and as you can see, you can get 10 Pinterest graphic for $10, which is not that much. Well, not that much, or not that expensive. Let's go, for example, with this key, and let's see how much they are charging. One custom Pinterest graphic for $1. Well, this is expensive. I would recommend you to go, for example, with this one, which creates for $10 for 10 Pinterest graphic. Just go with the one that suits the most for you, and then, well, just go to, once you have your graphic, go to Pinterest and click here on the upper right corner on the plus button. This is where you will create your pin. Now pay close attention to this part, this section, because here's where you want to make your pin as you will improve it for Pinterest SEO. So yes, for improve the rankings of this pin. Yes, so here you want to put the main keyword, yes, that you want to rank for, and that is how to make a landing page. Do you remember that we searched for how to make a landing page? And that will be my main keyword, how to make a landing page. In this, well, I made a video, so this is a YouTube video. In this video I show you how to make a landing page with a software. And what I would do, for example, is I would put the hashtag how to make a landing page, and then the destination URL, I just will put my blog, which is the Affiliate Hustler blog, which I'm not active that much anymore on that blog, but I have it for these kinds of situations where I need like a page. But maybe in the future I will start adding content to that page. Then you just grab the link, paste it, and then this is important, you will have to name or put where you want to post, or the board you want to pin this pin. Yes, where you want to put this pin, on what board you want to put this pin. Yes, in this case I want to put it on the Best of the Affiliate Hustler, and then we go to publish. And now we are going to make the test. Yes, we are going to see if this page is ranking anywhere near on the search terms of Pinterest. For example, how to make a landing page. Let's go. First, I'm going to refresh Pinterest, and I'm going to go to the search term how to make a landing page. And well, let's go to your pins. And as you can see here, it is on the search term. It appears if you put on your pins, but in order to rank better on Pinterest, obviously you will have to have more monthly viewers. Let's see if I appear here. But yeah, now because the pin is very recent, I don't think it will appear now. It will have to, you will need to let the algorithm get your pin, and once it gets it, then it will start appearing and it will start improving the rankings. If it starts getting link clicks, yes, obviously if it does not get any link clicks, then obviously the rankings of your pin won't improve. Yes, but remember, the traffic that you will be getting from here, yes, you can use it for making money. Yes, to send to your affiliate link. You can use it to I don't know, send to your blog and make money from ad revenue. You can use Pinterest traffic to whatever you want, to get views for your YouTube. It's very, very, very good to use Pinterest, and I'm stressing this enough because not many people are using this traffic method. Yes, and not many people are using it because they don't know how to use it. So take this video as an advantage, yes, so that now you know obviously how to use Pinterest, and because of that you can now take the traffic of Pinterest to your advantage and start making money. Yes, so if you like this video, give it a like. Obviously, if you have questions, comment on the section below what you think, and guys, I will see you till next video.